Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best pregnancy outfit for nursing moms, the OUGES Maternity Maxi dress. This dress is designed to be your perfect companion through pregnancy, baby showers, photo shoots, and even postpartum nursing. The OUGES Maternity Maxi dress features a classic wrap V-neck design, combining elegance with practicality. Made from a blend of 94% polyester and 6% spandex, the fabric is breathable and offers just the right amount of stretch to accommodate a growing belly without becoming see-through. The material is soft and comfortable, making it ideal for warm summer days or special occasions where you want to look stylish yet feel relaxed. One of the standout features of this dress is its empire waist, which provides a flattering silhouette by gently emphasizing the bust while allowing room for your bump. The short sleeves and flowing maxi length add to the overall comfort and versatility, making it suitable for various events, from casual outings to memorable maternity photo shoots. The wrap style of the dress not only gives it a chic appearance but also adds functionality for nursing after pregnancy. The deep V neckline allows easy access for breastfeeding, meaning you can continue to wear this dress well beyond pregnancy. Sizing is thoughtfully considered, with a size chart available to help you find the perfect fit. If you're in between sizes, it's recommended to size up to ensure comfort, especially as your body changes. The dress comes in beautiful floral prints and soft colors, enhancing your maternity glow without sacrificing style. In addition to its elegant design, the dress includes convenient pockets, a rare and appreciated feature in maternity wear. These pockets add a practical touch for carrying small essentials, so you don't have to worry about bringing a bag everywhere. Care is simple as well. The dress is machine washable, making it easy to keep fresh and ready for any occasion. Overall, the OUGES Maternity Maxi dress is a versatile, stylish, and comfortable choice that supports you from pregnancy through nursing and beyond. Whether you're preparing for a baby shower, a professional photo shoot, or simply want an elegant everyday dress, this Maternity Maxi dress offers both fashion and function in one beautiful package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're expecting or nursing and want a dress that grows with you, the OUGES Maternity Maxi dress is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.